Another grey, gloomy Valentine's set with no red, apart from the bling. Hey beauties, welcome back. Let me just take a minute to show you this bad boy. This is the beautiful box that it comes in, your little presentation box, and your brush will be sat in here, looking pretty. Now it is a size 14 and it's pinched and it's got my name on it. Look, yeah, it's a bit scratched, sorry, I've had it a while, but I forgot to show you. Well, not really forgot to show you, I was just a bit poorly, wasn't I? So I haven't had a chance until now. Anyway, it is a perfect shape when you flatten it out like this to be able to do like the best cuticle application. And it's also got like the perfect size body to it. You can hold it like a pen or a pencil. It is so comfortable. It is honestly by far the best brush I've ever had in my life, guaranteed. And that's partially because I did test out a lot of different brushes before Emma, the owner of Glitterama, before she decided to go ahead with which design, and this was the one I picked as the best one. So they are in 4 different sizes as well, 8, 10, 12 and 14, and mine is the 14, so go buy one, and don't forget Leah 5 for a cheeky discount. So let's get into these nails then. I'm doing a Russian almond set on myself, so my bad if I keep dropping out the camera, you know how crap I am. On the little finger, the pinky, I have used Twilight Sparkle, because it's got the little love hearts in there, and that is the only bit of Valentine's that we're having on my nails, little silver hearts. On the ring finger, first I came in with powder grey. I am doing like a wave nail, like a blocking design, just a small wave nail. The next colour, the darker one I'm in now, is Shadow. I'm really sorry I kept going out of shot. I can't remember what angle I actually had the camera in, because I used to have it clipped onto my desk with like, you know, like one of them little arms, like a lazy arm, for like when you're watching TV on your phone or whatever. I used to have it on one of them, on like an angle, and then I bought a new phone that is light enough to sit on top of my desk light. So now I've got to adjust again. Anyway, the next colour I came in with under shadow is Lady Grey. And then the final one on the end there is Twinkle Twinkle. That's a brand new colour. It hasn't been released as of yet, but it will be coming soon. Now, over onto the middle nail, I basically wanted to do like a glitter fade. So I've used shadow on the free edge, and I'm just going to cover all the free edge, make sure I can't see through, whilst keeping it as thin as I possibly can and stay in shot. And then for the top half, I'm going to use Twinkle Twinkle as like a background to do like a lazy blend, really. I'm just using that as a background. Doesn't matter about the blend between, like the transition between the two colours, it's no biggie, as long as it looks okay. Because I'm putting the Twilight Sparkle, on top, as you can see. So I just wanted the Twinkle Twinkle behind to make it look more compact, so I didn't have to like layer and layer and layer thick chunky glitter, you know. And then over onto the pointer, and I'm doing a marble, and I'm just using a mixture of all of them, really. Shadow, Lady Grey, Powder Grey and Twinkle Twinkle. And I'll leave my thumb in for you. It is just exactly the same as the pinky. It's just Twilight Sparkle all over the nail bed with a glass tip. And then once I'm done on the thumb, I'm going to cap all of the nails, make sure I've got the structure and the apex all in the right place, and get all my filing done, ready to plonk on some gems. So first I pop on a little bit of hard gel, neaten it all out with my brush, and then because this cures with a tacky layer, what I'm going to do before I cure or put the gems in, I'm going to put my top coat, non-tacky top coat on top, so that when I have put the gems in and it is cured, then I don't have to worry about any stickiness left over. So whatever nails that actually have bling on are the first nails that I do with top coat. Now this is the same process every time. So I'm just using clear and a couple of red ones, popping them into the corner, and then I'm going to top coat the rest of the nails and in for a full cure. And there you have the finished beauties. Look at that clear glass. Whoa! So thank you as always for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. Tap the bell for a notification for every time I drop something new. Stay slaying, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye!